Hi everyone. Feel the exhilaration of the open road, the wind tousling your hair, and the thunderous roar of a mighty engine propelling you forward. It's an unmatched sensation. And in 2024, the Harley-Davidson Road King Special embodies this very essence, seamlessly blending classic charm with cutting-edge performance. Rooted in a rich lineage of Harley-Davidson touring bikes dating back to 1994, the Road King Special carves its own path with a modern twist. Gone is the traditional fairing, replaced by a sleek, streamlined design that still pays homage to the brand's iconic heritage. This isn't just another motorcycle, it's a testament to innovation and tradition fused into one remarkable ride. With its distinctive blacked-out finish and bold aesthetics, the Road King Special proudly carries forward the Harley-Davidson legacy. At its heart lies the powerhouse Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, delivering unrivaled power and torque. But it's more than just raw muscle, it's a symbol of freedom, an invitation to embark on epic journeys with style and comfort as your faithful companions. Join us as we delve deeper into the 2024 Harley-Davidson Road King Special, unraveling its unique blend of comfort, power, and timeless American motorcycle design that beckons riders seeking the ultimate riding experience. Get ready to be captivated by the 2024 Harley-Davidson Road King Special, a masterpiece of classic design and commanding presence seamlessly melded into one. From its iconic silhouette to meticulously crafted details, this bike is a true showstopper, instantly recognizable and utterly unique. While the Road King Special shares the authentic style of its standard counterpart, it takes things up a notch with its fully blacked-out features. Every element, from the imposing headlight nacelle to the sturdy crash bars, exudes the timeless allure of American motorcycle design. The sleek black finish adds a touch of sophistication, ensuring this bike remains a symbol of elegance and luxury for years to come. But it's not just about looks, the Road King Special boasts modern design elements that enhance both style and functionality. With blacked-out mini-ape bars, robust front fork legs, and ample gas storage capacity, it's as practical as it is stylish. And let's not forget the gloss black Prodigy wheels, crafted from aluminum to infuse a contemporary edge into the overall black theme. Adding to its allure are the stylish LED lights, nestled within the round headlamp, providing both elegance and improved visibility during nighttime rides. And with a sleek 2-in-1-in-2 blacked-out exhaust system, this bike offers a perfectly balanced look that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Despite its classification in the Harley-Davidson Grand American Touring Series, the Road King Special retains its cruiser-style essence with a stripped-down look. Without a fairing or windscreen, riders can enjoy uninterrupted views of the road ahead, making every journey a pleasurable experience filled with scenic vistas. The Road King Special isn't simply a factory-made statement, it's a canvas for expressing your individuality. With an extensive array of Harley-Davidson genuine parts and accessories at your disposal, you have the power to transform your motorcycle into a reflection of your unique personality. Whether you're drawn to the aggressive edge or the laid-back touring vibe, the Road King Special can be customized to suit your preferences perfectly. So, unleash your creativity and make your ride truly one of a kind. Prepare to be enthralled by the heart of the 2024 Road King Special, a Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, purpose-built to dominate the highways with effortless cruising prowess. This air-cooled V-twin powerhouse, boasting 114 cubic inches (1,868 cubic centimeters) of pure muscle, delivers exhilarating acceleration and formidable torque, rivaling even the most aggressive riders on the road. With robust low-end torque peaking at 165.41 Nm at 2,750 revolutions per minute, unleashed with a twist of the throttle, you'll effortlessly command highway speeds, accelerating with unmatched swiftness. Generating a commanding 95 horsepower at 5,020 revolutions per minute, the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine propels the Road King Special with unwavering authority, ensuring a thrilling ride every time. Designed for touring excellence, the Road King Special offers an unmatched combination of power and comfort. Its potent torque ensures relaxed cruising on endless stretches of highway, while the ergonomic design provides blissful comfort on long journeys. Coupled with a seamless 6-speed cruise drive transmission, shifting is smooth and effortless, enhancing the overall riding experience. While fuel economy might not be its top priority, averaging around 43 miles per gallon in various riding conditions, the Road King Special prioritizes raw power and performance over everything else. Its stability-focused design and comfort-centric ergonomics make it perfect for long-haul adventures, instilling confidence in riders as they embark on epic journeys. Although it may not be hailed as a corner-carving marvel, the Road King Special handles curves admirably, thanks to its balanced design and responsive suspension. The relaxed steering geometry and long wheelbase ensure stability on straight stretches, while the Mini-Ape handlebars enhance maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate twists and turns with ease. In essence, the Road King Special excels at what it's designed for: comfortable touring. Riders seeking agility and razor-sharp handling might find better companions in other Harley-Davidson models like the HD Sportster S or Lowrider S. Nonetheless, with mindful riding and a respect for its capabilities, the Road King Special proves more than capable of tackling winding roads with confidence and poise. So, saddle up and prepare to conquer the open road with style and sophistication. Get ready to experience unparalleled comfort aboard the HD Road King Special, a bulky yet supremely comfortable ride that redefines long-distance cruising. With its upright and spacious design, this motorcycle ensures you maintain a relaxed posture even during extended journeys. While it may lack the wind protection of a fairing and windscreen, its ergonomic layout guarantees superior comfort throughout the ride. At the heart of the Road King Special's comfort-focused design is its rider triangle, a harmonious balance between handlebars, seat, and foot controls meticulously crafted to enhance the riding experience. Step into the rider's cockpit of the 2024 Road King Special and discover mid-rise Mini-Ape handlebars. Unlike traditional Ape handlebars that force you to lean forward, these mid-rise Mini-Ape bars promote an upright riding position, alleviating strain on your back, shoulders, and wrists. Forward-set floorboards. Positioned in front, these rider floorboards offer a relaxed leg extension, preventing calf cramps during long rides and ensuring maximum comfort mile after mile. Spacious and supportive seat. The generously padded single-piece saddle provides ample back support and even weight distribution, minimizing pressure points and making it ideal for riders embarking on lengthy journeys. Upright posture for effortless riding. Glide effortlessly along open roads as the HD Road King Special's thoughtfully designed shape, coupled with 8 mini handlebars and a lower seat height, delivers a supremely comfortable upright riding position. Say goodbye to backaches and sore muscles. The Road King Special is engineered to provide unparalleled relief at the end of each ride. Prepare to embark on a journey like no other with the 2024 Harley-Davidson Road King Special, a true masterpiece that seamlessly blends timeless design with modern innovation. More than just a motorcycle, it's a rolling work of art that commands attention on every road it travels, offering a customizable experience tailored to your unique preferences. If you crave the thrill of the open road and seek a bike that harmonizes heritage with cutting-edge features, the Road King Special is your ultimate dream ride. Designed with the discerning rider in mind, the 2024 Harley-Davidson Road King Special prioritizes comfort, power, and unmistakable tourer style. Its refined aesthetic and impressive performance make it perfect for cruising at highway speeds and embarking on long-distance journeys in unparalleled style and comfort. However, it's essential to consider its limitations, such as the lack of wind protection and slightly reduced maneuverability, especially if these factors are paramount to your riding experience. Thanks for watching.